this is being done by women, not men. Yes, it's the ladies that do this.
Obadindin.
Obadindin. Yes. You see the way she's changing her hand.
Mama said hard.
That's a man's job right there. You know, and the women doing the real work.
Exactly, you know.
The men sit there.
That is funny. That is funny. Yeah, hilarious.
Something is wrong. Which one you think is harder, the weaving or this? Most of them. No, the weaving you sit back.
Yeah, but the way you go like so low and
That's
so
a workout.
Okay. Now for demonstrating, she need to buy some candy. So for her muscles to be relaxed. So they will see you give money for some candy. Yes.
Okay. Then after pandering, you get a soft like this.
Now, after it becomes something like a chaff.
Yes.
Okay. This is the chaff out of it. So remember, they bring the badia, you break it into pieces. Why do you break it into pieces? Because some are long and you need all of them soak in the water. When you soak in the water like this, that's what it's going to be. And it becomes softer. Okay. Now the back need to be cleaned. So when you soak it in water 3 days, after 24 hours, you bring it here for the next processes. So go through this process. I think this is where you need a lot of technology. For a machine, you just collect it in and the machine will just do it for you. Even if there's a machine that someone can stand, hold it and wind this way, it becomes so cheaper and easier and faster than doing this. Yeah. So they need a little bit of technology here to help them go ahead and do it.
One of the students is going to come up with something.
Wonderful.
The science and technology.
Exactly. That would be very great for them. That would be very great. Just manufacture something little for them to
this is what is needed and figure it out.
Exactly. Okay, so let's turn around. After going through that, and then the first one. Okay. After going through that, what happened is that they will collect the whole thing, put it in this bowl, and then this is made out of
iron.
aluminium. Yeah, this was made in Ghana here. It's a pot. You can use it as a cooking pot as well. And then you collect or put it in here, add water, put fire underneath. The temperature of the fire should be high. So after that, then they will sieve it. They'll sieve. This is the first separation. Palming, they bring it there, add water, put it on fire to boil. Then they separate the chaff from the water. The chaff is also being used, but this is what they need. The liquid is what they need. They will put it down to cool, settle, and then the following day or two, they'll put it on fire again on different bowl. Put it on fire to boil. How many hours does it boil?
1 day, you boil it.
Okay, the whole day it should boil. After that, put it down for it to settle. Now let's look at the third one. So this is the first and the second one over there. Let's see the third one.